Hello, nail bestie. I am so happy to have you here. Today, we are going to do some more nail art. And here is the intro from the collection video. And the reason why I put it here, again, is because these take me forever to do, and I have to use them more times than just one. I want to make sure that you really take a look at it. I love making these stop motion videos, though. They are so much fun. I really hope you are enjoying them. But anyways, in this video, we are going to work with the new fantastic Light Elegance Buttercream collection called the Farmer's Market. Oh my god, I love this collection. We have some super trendy colors in here, and guess what? We're gonna use every single one of them. Oh yes, we are. And spoiler alert, well, you actually saw the finished set, but I love this set so much. Oh my god, like I fell in love with this, and I seriously want this on my nails. Let's see if I have time to do that, but oh my god, I love this so much. Starting out with the base colors, we're gonna do two nails using the pastel-y gray, and then we have the other three with that really soft pink. And here we're coming in with cherry picked and the swirly brush. So we're gonna create two big cherries on the thumb, and here on this nail we're gonna do more like a wallpaper kind of pattern. So here we're coming in with small cherries using cherry picked, and here veggies and vines for the little stem and the little leaves and all that. Adding some highlights using the Just White Buttercream. You can use white gel paint as well. It's really up to you. And coming in here and creating some stars, because why not? And it makes it look so pretty. Oh, I love this so much. And then adding those little details on the wallpaper type of nail, and adding the stars and a couple of dots as well. And this really just takes this very simple and easy design to the next level. It's always about dots, right? And of course, we have to have carrots in this set. So we're gonna use Farm Fresh, and we're gonna create these tiny, super cute little carrots. And so after curing these, I'm coming back in with veggies and vines to create that little, whatever you want to call it, the green part of your carrot. And then as a last step, I'm gonna come in with my stripey brush together with some black gel paint and just create tiny little details on those tiny little carrots. Oh my god, they're so darn cute. I want this on my nails right now. Coming in with some more dots and hiding that little whatever that was in the background, and using my stripey brush to create the little stars, more dots, and all that jazz. Love it. Now, coming in for the other nails, this is going to be the index finger and pinky, and we're going to use cherry picked to start with, then curing in between, and then coming in with meet at the market and creating these. It's kind of a swirl, but almost like blocking as well. It's a little flirt back to the swirly days, you know, when, well, remember, it was like yesterday. We still do it, the swirly trend. Coming in with flat matte, but of course, you know that it has to be matte. And I love flat matte. And oh my gosh, here is the final result. Oh my god, I love it so much. These colors together, oh my god. Can you just see how pretty that is? And I love that cherry picked has that shimmer to it. So when you put flat matte over it, it almost looks like it has texture. It is so darn cool, and I love this so much. It's like a 70s modern wallpaper cuteness overload. I don't know what. It is just so darn cute. Seriously though, I have to go and do this on myself now. So if you want to get super trendy this spring, please make sure to check this out. It is already out. You can find it at lightelegance.com, and that's where you can find your closest distributor as well. And as you probably know by now, you should know this by now, all Light Elegance products are chemo-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. Also, please don't miss out the new Light Elegance Facebook group, #NewToLE by Light Elegance, where you can find lots of inspiration, chat with the owners, chat with the ambassadors, chat with like all the other people who just love Light Elegance just as much as we do. So make sure to check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.